how to download the new Microsoft Edge Dev and Canary versions for. But before I start, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. Feel free to pause, rewind, or fast forward the video at any point. The first thing that we are going to do is go to a web browser on your computer and put the link that is right here provided to you in the YouTube description. So click that link and that will send you right here. Next, we are going to click the blue button that says Download Chrome Dev. Once you click it, it will start to download. So that would be this one. I'm going to click download. And I already have this installed onto my computer, but you just press accept and install, and done. And it will just download that. The next one we have here is Canary Channel. Basically the same thing as before. Click it, it will install. This one's installed basically every day. This one's updated every single week. This one's updated around every 6 weeks. But you click it, download, and how you will know that it's done downloading, it will automatically open a newly installed browser. And just like that, you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you download Microsoft Dev and Canary. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comments below. This will help me improve. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you.